today's video, it's all about what to expect when you get matched with employer, I would say potential employer, once you submitted your resume, cover letter, in some cases portfolios. I'll tell you the step-by-step processing, how we are trying to make that work for you. So in the actual employee survey form, we are requesting you to pick 3 most important factors when you are deciding a job. It could be a compatibility with employer. 2, it could be the salary. 3, it could be the location. And also, for the location specific, we also request for 3 most preferred location for you. So what we do is, based on those answers you provided, we are trying to find the employer, obviously, who is capable of helping you with LMIA, which is work permit support. Then go through one by one and make sure that your requirements will match with the employer's credential. And once it does happen, we will modify and polish up your resume. Our recruitment specialists, that's what they do. And then the reason for this is, so sometimes employer can only decide who you are and why you will be right fit for this job only based on the paperwork. So resume is your first impression. They can see how detail oriented you are in the resume, and also they can tell you have a relevant experience. And the thing is, you always want to exaggerate, not the exaggerate, but indicate the achievement that you have done with other previous employer. It's been 4 months since 2022. We have managed to match, literally like organic match, about 38 Koreans, 4 Japanese, 3 Vietnamese so far, and been building those relationship bond between Nohproblem and an employer. So we actually have a listed up like 3,527 employer lists. It doesn't mean that excuse me, it doesn't mean that all the employers are actively seeking for the employees as of we speak, but it's very likely that once any vacancy position is up, we will be notified, and employer feels much more comfortable to get the candidate from us or to get the candidate referred by us. It's because we have already paved the pathway for you, and we know exactly what we're doing. We know how fast we can do it. Processing time can be varies, like I always say, but the one that differentiates us is we keep calling. I know it's a bit annoying, but just, even though this is not the right timeline, and then they are working their like basic standard time period, we still give Service Canada call over and over and over. And that efforts pays off. And can anyone do that? Not really. Like most of the time, when you pay your deposit, you're just money back for, I don't know, for some. But we don't see it that way. I want the right, fastest result coming out from our projects or from our cases. And to do that, I put my heart and my energy, literally everything I got. I actually received an email yesterday when I was working till 10:20, just keep emailing back and forth. And then the employer were like, why are you still working? It's at 10 p.m. Because I'm a workaholic and I really like to get things done. And I hoped if you can see that, like how passionate and how workaholic all we are in Nohproblem Consulting firm. We'll do everything to make your permanent residency or education, immigration, or recruitment, or even the English lessons. We'll do everything to make that path smooth for you. As I've been saying multiple times, I've gone through this as a foreigner, like foreign immigrants moved to Canada with no money. I know what it is like, and I think at least what I can do is to help someone like that not make the same mistake I did. But we're not non-profit or we're not charity, so I cannot give you my services for free. My knowledge is worth it. So, but we're trying to keep our markup at very reasonable price, given the quality of the services we're providing. If you have nothing to show to employer, for example, you got zero experience, you have no education, your English skill is really bad, how would you expect me to represent you in a very appealing manner to the employer? That would make me look stupid. So that's what you should be mindful of. We need ingredient to make that matching works. So if you're young, still young, you have a time, then just keep focusing on improving your work. We don't want to see, I've got no work experience, I'm only high school graduate, I haven't done anything. Like then I'm not a miracle worker. I can't help you. I hope to speak with you one day. If you're watching this video, and I'm guessing you are, then let's chat. So please visit www.nohproblem.com and I'll be here for you. And have a great day. Bye.